What's going on, everybody? Oregon Motorcycle back, bringing you another fun-filled episode on this beautiful Sunday morning. We're about an hour away from it officially being afternoon on the last day of February 2021. It's been a minute, been a while since I posted, kind of taking a break. You know, enjoying my new car. I know that's like the last two videos I made about my new car and stuff. I did some brakes. I put some awesome brakes on that thing. Woo, the brakes are insane. I changed the rotors and I put some EBC brake pads on it like I run on my motorcycle here. And I bled everything. I got a power bleeder. Highly recommend getting a power bleeder if you guys are into doing your own auto mechanic work. It was awesome. I bled the lines with, and I put 5.1 fluid in there. Woo! The brakes are almost too much for like a daily driver, but whatever, that's another topic. So yeah, just getting through this winter.
In 1 mile, turn right onto South Bradley Road.
Getting through this winter and looking forward to the springtime. We had a crazy storm. I don't know if some of you guys are seeing this tree damage around here. So yeah, we had an ice storm a couple weeks ago, and we lost power for a couple days, in which we were very fortunate because a lot of my neighbors, they were without power for almost 10 days, and that was like just a block over. So yeah, we were very fortunate. Only had power down for 2 days, and there were trees down everywhere, like everywhere. We had a tree that went down in the backyard, and then like my neighbor, he had a tree fall on his car. There's all kinds of crap on the road here. There always is, though. And then the next door neighbor on the other side had a tree fall on his house, and it's just devastation everywhere. And I'm sure a lot of you guys heard about it. Texas got hit pretty hard too, I guess. So all right, this is a grass baseball field, and listen to this. It's a tree in the backyard that fell over because of the ice. I can hear tree branches snapping all over the place, and I can hear them falling on the roof. It's crazy, but stuff is seriously iced over. You can hear the tree over there cracking and stuff. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. I was hoping for some snow at first, but that's what the forecast was a bunch of snow, and then it just turned into a bunch of ice instead. So anyways, got through that. Look, there's still trees all down through here.
At the stop sign, turn right onto South Bradley Road.
So we got through that. Got through the holidays. Yeah, I took off. I didn't mention it or anything or say anything, but I took off to Colorado for the holidays to go visit my mom. And
turn left onto South Bradley Road.
I like this. This is one of my favorite roads to here. Anyways, I went and
in 1.1 miles, turn left onto South Hatton Road.
I went to Colorado, visit my mom. When I got there, my sister surprised me. She showed up with her kids, so I got to spend Christmas with my mom and stepfather and sister and her kids, and it was awesome. It was cold, really super cold out there, and but it was fun. I flew out there, and it's pretty crazy. That was quite the experience, flying during the, you know, the what we got going on here. Because, you know, we all know that, like, the restaurants are all closed down and everything, but you go into the airports and get on an airplane, and then there's like, what happened to social distancing and everything? You're literally like piled on top of each other, and it was just crazy to see that in operation, and all these, you know, these restaurants shut down. It's just kind of mind-boggling to me, but I guess, you know, they're generating more.
In half a mile, turn left onto South Hatton Road.
Generating more revenue for the government, so I guess that's just the way it is. Money talks, right? Oh boy. So yeah, got through that. Getting through February here. Just been working a lot. I'm actually working on a project that has nothing to do with the channel or whatever, but I'm working on a really big project actually on the side, so that might consume some of my time. But things that to look forward to on this channel would be, like I said, I really want to go camping right now, but everything is like, well, it's cold. Today's like the nicest day I've seen in a long time.
At the stop sign,
supposed to get up to like,
turn left onto South Hatton Road.
Supposed to get up into the 50s today, I think, so that'd be nice to see.
In 800 feet, turn left onto South Springwater Road.
But a lot of the places I like to go camping right now are buried in snow.
At the stop sign, turn left onto South Springwater Road.
I had to go around because they still have Clackamas River Road shut down. It's been shut down for like months. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, we're on a drone mission today.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Carver Highway, then continue onto Southeast Highway 224.
So I'm going on a drone mission today, and I figured, well, it's such a nice day, might as well get the bike out. I washed it up, I got it all shined up and pretty, and figured, what the hey, I'd make a video for you guys and just say hi and check in and let you guys know what's going on. I haven't forgotten about you guys. And in fact, I was
onto Southeast Highway 224.
Browsing, and you know, this whole Patreon thing. I've had a Patreon, I think, since September, and I was browsing through it this morning and just looking. I have 2 Patreons, which is awesome. Thank you guys very much.
In 1.1 miles, take a slight right turn onto Southeast Highway 212.
I'm gonna start posting more like pictures and more up-to-date stuff on my Patreon, and like I'll go home right now and I'll post some pictures of today on my Patreon account for you guys, and just say hi and see what's cracking. And then I'll make the video later today, maybe post it tomorrow or the next day or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. Just been, you know, taking it easy. Man. So yeah, I haven't been riding as much lately. Obviously, I have the car, and we've been having ice storms and stuff. Motorcycles and ice don't mix that good. And so, and I put the bike up. I rode last weekend. I rode with my buddy Kevin, and we just tooled around, went through Portland, and went up Skyline, and just messed around a little bit. Couldn't really hit anything hard or anything because, you know, just the roads were kind of wet and whatever. But, you know, when you put the bike up for a couple weeks and then you get it back out, it feels really good to ride. Like, you know, I was riding every day, and like, just becomes a normal part of life. It's still fun, don't get me wrong, I love it. That's why I was doing it every day. But I don't know, it just, like, right now I'm all giddy and like, oof, just want to have a lot of fun, which I'm having a lot of fun, and I'm just
take a slight right turn onto Southeast Highway 212.
So anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go up here, shoot this property, and then I don't know, I might just go home. I was thinking, so our restaurants have opened now. I don't know, well, I guess in Clackamas County it's kind of confusing, but basically they're like at the halfway mark, so you can actually go inside restaurants now and eat, and which is
in 1
cool.
mile, turn left onto Southeast 172nd Avenue.
Felt a little slippage there. I need new tires too. I got to get new tires for this thing. I'm still running this Dunlop Trail Max Missions, and the back one is completely worn out, but like, I'm don't know, I'm almost at 20,000 miles. And when did I put these on? Around the 6,000 mile range. So yeah, we're over 14,000 miles on them now, thereabouts, which is phenomenal, which actually lasts me almost approximately a year, depending on how much riding I do. So I'm just gonna put another set of Dunlop Trail Max missions on this bike, call it good. And man, I've been kicking around this idea that I want to do to this bike, which would be really super cool and which would make for some really good super content, but I need something to like push me over the edge to do it. And it would require the bike being down for a couple days, maybe even possibly a week, depending on, you know, how fast I can get it done.
At the light, turn left onto Southeast 172nd Avenue.
Now that I have another form of transportation, it's easier to do, but there's a little piece of me that says I can't do it. I don't have the skills to do it. So, but I think I'm gonna try.
Turn left and then arrive at your destination. Arrived.
Don't ever change your... You and me had against the door, he leans and starts to see.
All right. Yeah, baby, woo! All right, so there is McMinimans I really like. Since like I was saying earlier, our restaurants have kind of opened back up, and I know this McMinimans you can kind of sit outside and that kind of stuff. So it's been a long time since I've sat down or ate at a McMinimans, so I think I'm gonna go try to find that in P-Town and see what's cracking there. Hopefully I'm recording. Looks like I am. The battery went dead super quick in the GoPro, so I just swapped the batteries here in these GoPros. I'll turn this one back on in a minute maybe. So I don't know. So I'll check back in with you guys around Portland.
Emptiness down on my bed.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my favorite McMinimans right here. This is the barley meal McMinimans. The McMinimans of Hawthorne. I had some sliders. They were awesome. They were awesome. I'm gonna go home, edit pictures, edit video. I don't know what's up with this GoPro. It keeps going off. Just went off again. Oh, it's still on. We're just cruising through Portland, that's all. Still filming. I'm gonna have to get a new GoPro because this thing, look at the bus running the red light. Gangster. Oh, no, it had a green signal. He gets to jump on us. Just like they're giving the jump to the pedestrians lately too. I've noticed that in the way they're programming some of these lights. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know, this GoPro quitting. I don't even know what I filmed, if I'm filming, and when I'm filming. I don't even know if the outro recorded, so I said goodbye once. Maybe I'll say goodbye again. until next time, folks, coming to you straight out of Portland, Oregon motorcycle. Rough through here.